Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have cold foot, fried chicken, rice and peas, and cabbage on the side.
Yes, we said cold foot, exactly.
Oh,
cold foot. Why you want to the food, man?
Yeah, man.
Cold foot, and then... Yeah.
Okay. I'll make sure. Oh my goodness.
I'm eating today, so if you see me eating and don't talk, you know what I am.
Let me see something.
Not so good.
No, it is, but it's alright. Seems like you was out of the frame.
Oh. I'm in the frame?
Yep.
I'm there?
I'm trying to fix the camera, guys. You know, we've been doing lives all week, so...
I ginger this
trying
morning.
to... ginger.
I think I'm eating,
Too freaking craving. How you feel?
Good, I feel good, man. Yeah, that's my eat.
You just want to eat your food? Happy Monday, guys. How you guys been? Oh, man.
My favorite.
This is my fried chicken, guys.
Stop
Yes.
the food up, I can't remind you.
Hot.
The steamed veg is good.
Oh, thank you.
Steamed veg, fam. Appreciate everyone of y'all that joined us on the live, you know. Appreciate that. Thank you. I'm saying, rocking, joining through, you know. We had some good live. The live was good.
I'm hungry.
Fried chicken, mayo.
This steamed cabbage right here is excellent by itself with just some white rice or rice and peas. That's a meal on its own.
For the vegetarian.
We have like 3 meals here.
I left a napkin in there.
We have cabbage, and we eat cabbage with white rice or rice and peas, whatever. And we have cold foot and fried chicken. This can be a meal separately, but I have it all together.
Yep. So the cabbage could be for the veggie. Vegetarian.
That's a good one.
We got people them. This is good.
Take the fried chicken and you dip it in the cold foot gravy.
Oh.
And season it up.
Let's see.
What's that, ranch?
It's a ranch by the mayo. You want it? You don't want to try mayo? You don't want to try?
I use your batter. Your RFC batter that was in the freezer.
You got RFC batter in the freezer?
And Richie makes RFC. He saves the batter, puts it in the freezer.
I know there was RFC batter.
And I just seasoned it. And I use his batter. That's why it looks so good.
Very good too. Okay. Now we're cooking. Season. So what your weekend consist of, man? I only want to talk to them, I talk. Yep, this is not pig feet, y'all. Come on now, cut it out.
I want to make that, but
It ain't pig feet.
my husband doesn't eat pork.
It ain't pig feet.
I'm just looking at the camera, guys. Don't pay me no mind.
The cow and his big feet.
it's so funny because we eat cold foot, but it's not something that we crave.
Yeah, we don't crave.
But like a stewed peas or oxtail. But and we do feel like eating it.
We eat it.
Oh, we eat it. Oops. Next time, I want to make curry cold foot. Make it next time.
If you ever try this, let us know. We always want to know. We'll try something. Gunga rice this.
Gunga.
Bun.
Bun?
And this is just by itself. It's a nice thing. Tastes so good. Well seasoned.
And crunchy. Can't have it too soggy. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. We're both tired.
Yep.
What?
Show must goes on. That's their favorite word.
Oh. I already told you guys that we're gonna give you guys videos because we've been doing lives all week last week. Those was fun.
Yeah, the live was fun.
Yeah.
We had fun. Yeah, enjoy the live? We had fun. You know what I'm saying? Good chit chatting with y'all. You know what I'm saying? We chit chat. Yo, move on the vegetable money.
Good money.
That's how it look, family.
Nice and juicy.
It look just like the pig feet. Yeah, I know.
That is true.
Yeah, it look just like it. I know. Yeah. But it's not. It's the cow. Moo.
I was in a store buying the cold foot, and right next to it was a pig. It was a pig feet. And you know, when you go to the store, you look for the cheapest thing, right? And I said, "Ooh,
Yeah.
$9."
Yeah.
Because if it's cheaper, that means there's less.
Yeah.
We don't need a whole bunch of cold foot. And I went to go pick it up. It said pig feet. That's how similar they look.
Very similar.
But they taste very different. You gotta go pig feet is salty.
I don't know, coming over near me.
It must be out.
Yeah.
Yep, it's real good.
It's real good, family? For real? Wow. Good to know. Yeah, enjoyed for me. So, whenever y'all take a bite of that pig feet, just say, this one is for you, Richie. Okay? Just say this one for you. Yeah, that better tastes good. Better.
Salty.
Feel nice.
In a good way, I mean. Well seasoned. Gotta suck the bone.
Have to.
Ooh. I made fried chicken because, as you guys know, we have American people here, and they don't eat this. So make a little bit of fried chicken. But I'm glad I did, because fried chicken with cold foot gravy, is a bus.
I've been talking about me, no one tell them. I said everything greedy.
You bit your tongue?
Just too much money. Just too much. I never want to tell them.
Guys, Richie bit his tongue.
Just too much money.
Because he eats too fast.
I wouldn't even be eating fast. Cruiser.
Yeah, the problem is your mind thinks everything in your mouth is food. Not true.
We take one. We take for real. All the juices in here.
All the juice.
If y'all don't suck on your bone, I don't know what y'all missing. So let us be and let us suck on our bone. I don't know what y'all missing if y'all don't suck on your bone. Where's my bone suckers? Let me see my bone suckers in the comment.
I don't know what y'all doing. Y'all missing out though.
The best part, man.
All the juice.
All the juices up in that. Marinated. For real. The bone sucking contest, I think we don't win.
Yep, because not only are we sucking the bone, but we're chewing it up. I'm telling you, if we could chew up these bones, we would, but we can't. They break our teeth. That's the only reason why we're not sucking it. We're not chewing it.
Yep. For real.
Yeah, we had on Friday, for Fast Food Friday, our live, you guys asked some great questions.
Yes, I did.
I had us thinking. And we appreciate that.
Yep.
Really good questions. It was fun.
It was fun.
Yeah.
So you know now live, Black people time, 4:40 to 4 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? Black people time, you know? That's what we do. So just look out. Every Friday.
4:40 to 4 o'clock?
Family, I'm tired. 3:40 to 4 o'clock. You know what I'm saying?
So we're gonna be at the live like around 4. Because
Yes.
I don't know, what were you talking about? Some 3:40 to 4 o'clock.
Yes. Good correction. So live at 4 on Friday. No?
If we're gonna be late, we'll try to let you guys know.
Yes or no. But Fridays now.
Or we might just drop a video. You never know.
Right.
Because I like Fast Food Friday. Oh, fuck. I was hungry. Honey, I was. This is my first meal all day. And it's like 6:30, guys. I was doing some spring cleaning. I was painting the baseboards. You know, every few couple of years, the baseboards need to be wiped down and painted.
Oh my God. You was hungry, so what happened? What happened? So you're not gonna finish your food?
I ate a lot. Do you guys be wiping your walls? Like when you do a major cleaning, do you guys wash your walls? Like wipe it down? If you do, let me know what you use. I ate a lot, honey. You want to get a lot of food?
You don't have no food.
Seriously.
You ate a lot, but you ain't finished. You're hungry for having the food off my youth.
You got gas.
That's young. He's hungry.
Cabbage bad man.
Carry wicked. Carry up more things.
I just do it together.
Tastes good. Right, good.
Guys, let me know what you guys use to clean your walls. Because I think you should be doing that too. Cleaning your walls. Especially in the kitchen. Clean it. When you paint your baseboards, it makes the house feel so fresh, you know? You gotta wipe it off first though. Wipe it, dust it, and then paint it. Freshen it up. It came out good, honey, the baseboard?
It looks good. You did a good job. Real good. It's brand new.
I do stuff like that when Richie's at work. Because when he's home, he complain about it. He said he don't like this color, he don't want it like that. So to avoid all that, I just do when he's at work. When he come home, it's already done.
You like move around so much around?
That's right. Who moved their furniture around? I do. Every 4 to 6 months, the furniture's gonna get moved. Because you can't clean. You do a good cleaning, you gotta move your furniture. You gotta move it. It's so dusty underneath there, especially in Florida. I don't know. It gets very dusty here. So I move my furniture around at least once every 6 months.
You move around too much?
But you got used to it now. I saw some still eating.
I know. Oh,
You barely talk today.
got a headache, man.
You got a headache?
Go play around for Hungry Belly, man. Hot sun.
Yeah. Yep.
Tell me I play ball in the hot sun and they eat nothing. You're nauseous now.
Yeah, you can't do that. Did you have water at least? So last time you went out there, you had no water.
I have one water. Alright, family. Appreciate y'all.
Thank you guys so much. Like I said,
Subscribe. If you're new, subscribe. Let me give you a little word about that for you with people today. Then I go night casa.
Yep.
Alright, family. Appreciate y'all, family. Even also the viewers, you know what I'm saying? Every one of y'all. So if you're new, you better like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Join the family, you know? Get to know us. Go watch the old videos. Get to know us. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate the new family members that's just joined on. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Now I got for you today. First thing, listen. Family, listen. Sometimes the bad time in our life put us on a direct path to the very best thing in our life.
Ooh, okay.
We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. And if you're new, I am Richie and this is Shanice, aka First Lady, and they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We'll see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.